let's go over the Cossack squat. Kind of not really much of a squat, it's more a lateral lunge, but we'll go with the theme of it, right? So you're squatting in your normal stance. You aren't going to take an extremely wide base, okay? You're going to be almost as wide as you can get because you need this much space to do the exercise correctly. So what the exercise is called a Cossack squat. I'm going to have to basically squat all the way on one leg while pointing one toe to the sky as I get deeper, okay? So I'm going to get all my weight on one leg, okay? I'm going to feel my hips out because this is the hips that's going to pinch. This is the knee that's going to displace to the side. I'm going to go down and out to the side while my toes go up. This is one half of the Cossack squat. I got to get back up kind of like a pyramid, okay? So I'm on the tippy top of the pyramid. And I'll go back down to this side over here. And you come back up. Now, once you get used to these three positions, okay, I'd recommend doing maybe the starting position, your weak leg a couple times, and your bad leg a couple times. You can then do the full transition. So if you go through smoothly, it'll look something like this. So I'm going to go to my right, back up top, over to my left, and you just rinse and repeat like a nice smooth machine. Now this is way harder than it actually looks and takes quite a bit of mobility. So you might not be able to go as low or even to get into position. So you might have to even just like hang on to something, practice stretching, using the balance, okay? And you want to take your time progressing this. You don't want to hurt your adductors, okay? They are a very strong muscle, but not one that gets much work. So you want to gradually progress into that deeper position. Very, very good variation for very adductor intensive exercises like the sumo deadlift or a front squat. Really, really great exercise to help you teach the balance and the control while building your mobility over time. Thank you for joining us. We'll see you next time.